friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing. Is it my birthday or is it Christmas? Is it both? It feels like both. I have a beautiful wig to install and review, and she is super beginner friendly, glueless, babes. Like, take it out of the box, put her on, cut some lace, and that's it. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, RPGSHOW. My favorite hair vendor, my favorite company to get wigs from. Top of the line. If you ask me on the streets, Kez, you've reviewed a lot of wigs. What's your favorite company? I'm gonna tell you RPGSHOW. And every single wig that I review from them confirms my original thought that they have the best wigs. Point blank period. Don't argue with me, argue with your mama. Today what I have installed is a 20-inch Fit Lock 13x6 Glueless frontal wig. It's very simple, fit and lock. It has great fit and it's gonna lock into place that little drawstring in the back that we love so much. Secure the back portion so you can flip your wigs, you can do dances, you can sleep with them, you can put it in a ponytail. You can do all of the above, and this wig is not gonna slip. Look at that lace. So if you've never worn a wig before in your life and you're wondering, do I need to put on a wig cap? Do I need to do this? Do I need to do that? No, girl, you don't need to do any of that. This is what she's giving. Like, it's giving wet lace. I am gonna remove the lace though. Okay, and we're gonna remove the lace from this side. You might have to get real close because their lace, it is tinted, so you don't need any foundation, no lace tint. Like, honestly, they could be charging far more for these wigs if they wanted to. You can use this glueless tape if you want. I might for this portion here to secure her down. You really don't need to. Let's see. I'm gonna do the other side, but you can see the little tape here is securing the wig. Ear tab secured. It's still glueless, so you can see here. And no lace tint. Touch up the curls just a tiny little bit. And good. I like that volume that it has on this other side here, so I'm gonna create that over here as well. Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. This wig is so beautiful, you guys. Like, I think this is my favorite RPGSHOW wig. like hands down. And I've reviewed a few of them now, and I have a few of them in my collection, but oh, it has It has everything that I love with wigs. One, it's glueless, and it actually is glueless. This glueless frontal is actually a really good glueless frontal, and it feels that way. Like, the color is literally everything. It's perfect. Like, it's toned so nicely. I love a black dark root with highlights. Oh, it's my dream. It's just so gorgeous. Now, I like to put some BioSilk in my hair, so I would recommend doing that. I did do that already. And when you put the BioSilk and then you curl it, the curls just look like silk.
So hard to please.
If you want to know what signature Kez would look like, this, okay? This is a fine woman right here, okay?
You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter.
Let's put her in a ponytail and see what she's giving, honey. So I'm gonna use some mousse, just a little bit on the edges there. And this is in just a regular ponytail. How cute is this? It's my hair. Yeah. Final thoughts. I love the little upgrades. I love the little drawstring feature. So it does give you the option of wearing it in a ponytail. You have so many options when you're wearing wigs nowadays. Like, wigs have come such a far way, and I'm so happy to be alive in this time. I love this wig so much. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. And when you get this wig, you definitely gotta try this little ponytail style. Let me know what style is your favorite, and let me know if you are gonna try this wig at home. Anyways, guys, I gotta run. Bye.